come. And they're off. Brigadoon from the inside, center of the racetrack. That is acting out from the outside. Here's a scoop and fresh cut. Also out, that's Endeavor. They battle to the quarter. Endeavor from the outside. Brigadoon along the inside. In between horses acting out there. The outside, fresh cut fourth. Here's a scoop away in fifth. Following in sixth. As they go to the quarter is Peaches DeVay. Dick Jones, 25 seconds flat for the opening quarter. The leader is Endeavor, a length up on the outside. Fresh cut to challenge. Racing in third, Brigadoon, followed by acting out fourth. 2.5 more. Here's a scoop, and it's Peaches DeVay. KJ Eric is seventh. Cinevis is eighth. The trailer is Dateline Hanover down the back stretch. Fresh cut to the front. Retake action here by Johnny Mack and Endeavor. Endeavor at the half. 53-2. They pace to the end of the back stretch. The leader is Endeavor by a length and a half. In second, fresh cut. Following in third, that's Brigadoon. Acting out fourth. Length and a half more. Peaches DeVay next in fifth. Here's the scoop is sixth. As they approach the three-quarter station, Endeavor's gotten away by 3.5. Along the inside, fresh cut. The outside, Brigadoon, 121 and 2/5 as they come to the top of the stretch, and Endeavor turns home with the lead, and he has gotten away by a 6-length lead. Center of the racetrack, Brigadoon up on the outside, comes acting out. They come for the finish. Endeavor and John McDonald win the New York Excelsior Race Series final for 3-year-old colts. Endeavor, 149-3.